Let's talk spring housing market. So spring officially began in March, and with it marks the beginning of the traditionally busiest season of the real estate market. This generally runs from mid-March through May, buyer activity peaking in April and May. This season is also typically marked by a steady rise in available inventory and an increase in buyer demand, though both begin to taper off through summer. According to Stephen Thomas, inventory usually climbs between March and August, with the highest number of new listings historically appearing in May. In 2025, the Orange County housing market is seeing more homes on the market compared to the last 2 years, about 20% more listings than this time last year, and about 42% more than 2023. Although this marks meaningful growth, inventory levels are still roughly 35% less than pre-pandemic averages. One major reason for the previous tight supply was homeowners holding on to their low fixed mortgages. However, that lock-in effect is starting to ease. More homeowners are willing to sell, contributing to the gradual inventory buildup that we're now seeing. We're also seeing on the broader economy some issues like inflation remaining persistent, mortgage rates still elevated, consumer confidence is weakening, the Federal Reserve signal interest rate cuts that could be delayed, and keeping borrowing costs high. These factors are making affordability a major issue for buyers and causing more price sensitivity in the market. Homes that are priced too high are sitting longer and experiencing price reductions. For distressed properties, foreclosures and short sales are still extremely rare in Orange County, representing less than 1% of all active listings. However, economic pressure is starting to surface in other ways. An increase in fixer-uppers, more motivated sellers, early signs of financial strain, and seeing a little bit more rise in these distressed sales if conditions don't improve. Overall, in Orange County, the housing market this spring is described as balanced. It's rebalancing. There's more inventory, slightly less buyer urgency. Growing economic uncertainty could impact pricing further. Sellers need to price competitively. Buyers should be prepared to act when they find that right property and negotiate carefully in this evolving landscape. Thanks for checking in with EJ Properties. See ya.